Guys, I just got to put it out here that I feel fantastic with my new hair. I appreciate your comments, all of your comments, and all the people who have said to me, because I've had a lot. They say, well, you don't need a hair system. You never did. And I get that. I mean, I could have went on with my life without one. But like I said before, guys, it's something that I have wanted for so long. I got made fun of for having a receding hairline in 9th grade. Is when my hair started to recess, and I was told that I had a huge forehead. Mainly because of my temples, and the hair system kind of covers that. So my temples were really wide. They said you have a wide forehead. Not only that, you have a freaking very tall forehead. So with the hair system, I have brought my hairline down about 3/4 of an inch, and I feel fucking amazing. I feel great. So thank you so much, guys, for the compliments that said, hey, you never needed one. I really appreciate that. I mean, because nobody wants to need one. You only get one when it's like, okay, well, I'm bald enough now where, you know, that's all I think about, and I want my hair back, right? We all want our hair back. Well, with me, I don't know. I mean, there's other people, sure, that need one way more than I did, but if you're on the fence about getting one, guys, if you have even the problem that I have had and you can't grow your bangs out. My problem was if I tried to grow my bangs out right here where my hairline is receding, this right here would not grow. It would only grow so long and then it would stop. It just wouldn't grow. I mean, I don't know, maybe you know what I'm talking about. The hair just would not grow. So with this, I'm able to, you know, I can have my bangs long to cover my big ass forehead or whatever I want to do. I mean, and that was mainly the main thing about it. I mean, I've always, like I said, I've always been made fun of for my forehead, and that was always just a big thing for me. Every time I smiled, it seemed like it grew about 12 inches higher, and I'm like, oh shit, I don't even want to smile anymore. But now look, man, I'm smiling. I'm happy as shit. And I think that I feel amazing. I think I look great, and I think that I would recommend a hair system to anybody who's young, old, in between, whatever, that's having the problem that I had. Maybe you think your hairline is too high, or your whatever it may be. I mean, you don't even have to be going bald to get one. All my hair up here was just as thick as this is. So that's why people are saying to me that in the comments of other videos that I didn't need a hair system, and I get that. You know, like I said, I completely understand that, and I appreciate the compliments. I take it as a compliment, and you may be thinking I'm stupid for buying one and wasting my money on one when I really didn't need one. But for me, this is what is making me happy. I mean, I have more confidence in myself than I think I ever had in my life. And confidence in yourself is one of the biggest things in life. If you can't be happy with yourself, then how can you be happy? I mean, you can't. So no matter what it is, if you got thinning hair or you're bald as shit or whatever, I mean, maybe you just want to give it a try and see if you like it. I mean, from all the videos that I have seen, it seems like everybody who has taken the plunge and did it, it seems like there's nobody who has regretted it. Of course, you're probably nervous to do it. You got to shave your head. You don't know how it's going to turn out. You don't know how the quality of the hair is, but this is the Remy hair. I said in my past videos that this was a Swiss lace, but I guess I was apparently wrong. It's a French lace, and I think the French lace, I think the hairline's great. If you just wear your hair kind of up and down at the same time, like barely up, but whatever, kind of covering the hairline, I mean, you can't even notice it. I mean, it looks completely natural. It feels natural. One thing I will say is if you're new to this, and which I'm still new, it's only been like 5 days, 6 days since I've had one, but the first day that you get it, what I experienced was it kind of felt like I was wearing a baseball cap, and it was very hard to sleep with the first probably 2 days. So now I am really starting to feel like I can't even feel it. It feels like my own hair, and which is great. I'm not conscious of it like I was when I first got it. So I think that's one of the biggest things, guys. So yeah, I mean, If you got receding hairline or whatever, don't let people tell you that you don't need one. If you want to get one, then get one. I mean, I don't give a shit. Like I said, I mean, I'm not hating on anybody who told me not to get one. I mean, I completely understand why they would say not to, but to me, this is what made me happy, and if it's gonna make you happy, then go ahead and do it, man. I mean, screw it. Do it. Just do it. And yeah, that's it. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Joe Jones. You've been watching Cup of Joe, and this has just been your daily dosage.